The dashboard offers a comprehensive, real-time view of your fleet's fuel consumption, enabling you to monitor fuel usage for all vehicles as they operate in real time. This functionality helps you quickly identify patterns in fuel use, detect potential inefficiencies, and manage fuel costs effectively. The dashboard is fully customizable, allowing you to easily tailor the displayed data to meet your specific operational needs, ensuring that the most relevant metrics are visible at a glance. By integrating fuel-level data with other dashboards, such as real-time movement summaries and trip counts over a defined period, fleet owners can gain deeper actionable insights into overall vehicle performance and operational efficiency. This holistic, easy-to-use platform helps to reduce unnecessary fuel consumption, resulting in better cost management and informed decision-making. To quickly and efficiently add a new chart wherever you are on the platform, just press the dashboard button. Select the plus icon. You may proceed to fill in the fields with the information you need. You can easily select the desired time frame and choose the preferred chart style to best display the relevant data. Once you've set your preferred chart size, be sure to save. Your chart is now ready for viewing and can also be arranged amongst other charts in order of priority or however you prefer.